Welcome back to Fox 51. Good day. Joining us now is Mr. Derek Choice with Net Health. Good morning. How are you doing, Derek?
Good morning. I'm fine. How are you doing?
I'm doing fantastic. Good. I know you guys have been busy over at Net Health. Y'all are planning a pretty amazing walk, but before we get to that, what is the East Texas Minority Health and Wellness Coalition? Because a lot of people don't know about that.
Exactly. That's a coalition that was established about 6 years ago to try to address issues in the health issues in the minority community. And so beyond the Faith Walk, which is our biggest event that we have, we want to send messaging out to the minority community because of the high burden of disease in our community.
And that's what I was going to ask you. Here in East Texas, we see this as well, right? Exactly. In the minority groups, Hispanics, African Americans, heart disease, diabetes, all that stuff.
Exactly. Very, very much so. There is something called the county health rankings, and a lot of the counties in and around Smith County rank low amongst what the other state average is, and so we feel it necessary to come up with a coalition to address these type of health issues in our community.
Well, you guys are going to have a big event tomorrow, the Tyler Faith Walk.
Yes.
Why does your organization do this every year?
Yeah, every year. We call it the Faith Walk because there's a scripture somewhere in the Bible, faith without works is dead. And who better to get the congregations out than the pastors? So we ask each pastor to bring their church out and their congregations and try to avoid the sedentary lifestyle that leads to some of the health issues.
So it's pastors then coming together, right, and getting their congregations out.
Exactly. Really
to just try to promote health and wellness in our community.
Exactly. Pastors, not exclusive, but we started with just reaching out to the pastors in the various Hispanic and African American communities because we felt like they would follow their pastors to such an event like this. But yes, initially we reached out to the pastors, but it's not exclusive. If your organization or Cub Scout, Boy Scout, anybody want to come, we'll certainly welcome you to this Faith Walk this year.
So how is it like the Faith Walk? How friendly are the people there? And is it just walking, or do people run as well?
Another great question. We have a 1 mile, and most of them walk. A lot of the elderly saints come out and walk, but then there are those. We have a 5K that will take advantage of the 5K. And yeah, we're friendly. Come on out. What it's like, we all gather together, and then we'll do some aerobics or whatever, and get the blood pumping, and then we'll take off, and then we'll come back and we'll have a health fair. We have all kind of glucose screenings, blood pressure, flu shots, everything you would want at a health fair to help you get healthy.
And I think the best thing about this event as well is that it costs free $99. It's completely free, isn't it?
Exactly, free $99. I like that. I'm about to use that. But yes, it's completely free. We just want to reach out to the community and provide a service that we think is very much needed.
How can people register?
Yeah, if you're on Facebook, go to Tyler Faith Walk. Otherwise, you can call 903-533-5208. 903-533-5208.
Well, thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Always a pleasure to speak to you as well.
Same here.
Such a great event.